Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the all-new 2026 Subaru Crosstrek, finished in a stunning oyster gray color that perfectly highlights its rugged yet sophisticated personality. The Crosstrek has built a strong reputation for combining everyday practicality with genuine off-road capability, and the latest model continues the tradition while adding more technology, refinement, and comfort than ever before. Whether you're commuting through the city, exploring mountain trails, or planning your next road trip, this compact crossover promises to handle it all with confidence. In this video, we'll explore every detail, from its bold exterior styling and premium oyster gray interior to its performance, features, pricing, and why it remains one of the best adventure-ready SUVs in its class. Make sure to watch until the end because you won't want to miss what makes this Crosstrek stand out from the competition. At first glance, the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek immediately grabs attention with its bold and athletic design. The oyster gray paint gives the SUV a premium and modern appearance that works equally well in urban environments and rugged outdoor settings. Up front, you'll notice Subaru's signature hexagonal grille finished in gloss black with subtle chrome accents that give the vehicle a refined yet sporty look. The sharp LED headlights feature an aggressive daytime running light signature that enhances visibility while adding a futuristic touch. The redesigned front bumper incorporates rugged black cladding that not only looks tough but also helps protect the body during light off-road adventures. Moving along the side profile, the Crosstrek showcases muscular wheel arches wrapped in durable black body cladding, emphasizing its adventurous character. The sculpted body lines flow smoothly from the front fenders to the rear, creating a sense of motion even when the vehicle is standing still. Stylish alloy wheels fill the arches perfectly, while roof rails come standard, making it easy to carry bikes, kayaks, or cargo boxes for weekend adventures. The slightly raised ground clearance remains one of the Crosstrek's biggest advantages, allowing drivers to confidently tackle rough roads, gravel trails, and snowy conditions. At the rear, the design is equally impressive. Modern LED taillights stretch toward the sides, creating a wider and more planted appearance. A sporty rear spoiler enhances the SUV's aerodynamic profile, while the rugged rear bumper continues the adventurous styling theme. The tailgate opens wide to reveal a spacious cargo area capable of handling luggage, camping equipment, groceries, or sports gear with ease. Folding the rear seats expands cargo capacity significantly, making the Crosstrek practical for families and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Step inside, and the oyster gray interior creates a calm, premium atmosphere that immediately feels welcoming. The high-quality materials throughout the cabin give the vehicle an upscale feel that exceeds expectations for its segment. Soft touch surfaces, carefully stitched upholstery, and elegant trim pieces combine to create a refined driving environment. The oyster gray seats not only look luxurious but also brighten the cabin, making it feel more spacious and airy. The front seats are designed for exceptional comfort during both short commutes and long road trips. They offer excellent support, generous cushioning, and available heating to keep passengers comfortable in colder weather. Higher trim levels may also include power adjustments and premium upholstery options that further enhance the luxury experience. The driving position is elevated, giving the driver an excellent view of the road ahead while maintaining Subaru's reputation for outstanding visibility. Dominating the dashboard is a large vertically oriented touchscreen infotainment system that serves as the command center for navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone integration without messy cables. The interface is responsive and user-friendly, making it easy to access music, maps, and communication features while driving. Multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and premium audio options ensure that everyone stays connected and entertained during every journey. Behind the steering wheel sits a modern digital instrument cluster that provides clear and customizable driving information. The leather-wrapped steering wheel feels comfortable in the hands and features intuitive controls for audio, phone, and adaptive cruise functions. Throughout the cabin, clever storage compartments, cup holders, and door pockets make it easy to organize everyday essentials. Rear passengers are treated to generous legroom and headroom considering the Crosstrek's compact dimensions. The rear seats offer impressive comfort for adults while also accommodating child seats with ease. Rear air vents and charging ports help keep passengers comfortable and connected on longer trips, making this SUV a practical choice for families. Under the hood, the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek continues to deliver dependable performance with its efficient horizontally opposed boxer engine. This unique engine design lowers the vehicle's center of gravity, improving balance, handling, and overall driving stability. Depending on the trim level, buyers can expect a responsive powertrain that delivers smooth acceleration for daily commuting while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. One feature that truly separates the Crosstrek from many competitors is Subaru's legendary Symmetrical All-Wheel Drive system. Unlike many crossovers that primarily drive the front wheels until extra traction is needed, Subaru's system continuously powers all four wheels for maximum grip and stability. Whether driving through rain, snow, mud, gravel, or dry pavement, the Crosstrek inspires confidence in almost every driving condition. For drivers who enjoy exploring beyond paved roads, available X mode enhances traction by optimizing engine output, transmission settings, and braking performance for slippery or uneven terrain. Hill descent control helps maintain a controlled speed on steep downhill slopes without requiring constant brake input from the driver. On the road, the suspension strikes an impressive balance between comfort and control. The Crosstrek absorbs potholes and rough pavement with ease while remaining composed during corners. Steering feels precise, making city driving effortless while providing enough feedback to inspire confidence on winding roads. Highway cruising is quiet and comfortable, with excellent noise insulation keeping wind and road noise to a minimum. Fuel economy remains one of the Crosstrek's strengths, making it an economical choice for drivers who travel frequently. The efficient powertrain allows owners to spend more time on the road and less time at the gas station, while Subaru's reputation for long-term durability adds even more value over years of ownership. Pricing for the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek remains competitive within the compact SUV segment. Entry-level models provide an impressive list of standard equipment, including all-wheel drive, advanced safety features, modern infotainment, and LED lighting. As buyers move up through the trim lineup, they gain access to larger wheels, premium interior materials, panoramic sunroof options, upgraded audio systems, navigation, leather upholstery, heated seats, and additional luxury features. This wide range of trims allows buyers to choose the perfect balance between affordability and premium equipment. Overall, the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek successfully combines rugged capability, modern technology, premium comfort, excellent safety, and everyday practicality into one exceptionally well-rounded package. The beautiful oyster gray exterior gives it a sophisticated appearance, while the matching oyster gray interior creates a luxurious and welcoming cabin. Subaru's dependable all-wheel drive system, advanced driver assistance technologies, comfortable ride quality, and practical cargo space make this crossover ready for nearly every lifestyle. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a growing family, or an outdoor enthusiast looking for your next adventure vehicle, the Crosstrek deserves a place at the top of your shopping list. That wraps up our complete look at the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek in its elegant oyster gray finish. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest automotive reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Crosstrek and whether you choose this oyster gray color for your own driveway. Thanks for watching, drive safely, and we'll see you in the next video.